Welcome back to the VTC course on Wireshark. In the previous videos, we had reviewed the most important network protocols. In this video, we are starting with the disassembly of protocols and the DNS protocol. The use of DNS is a very important part of networking. The DNS translates host names into IP addresses and vice versa. Think of the DNS as your home postcode. We as people have no idea where all of these postcodes go to, but the post office does. This translation is what DNS does for us on a network. Most DNS traffic is transferred over the UDP port 53 in a client-server fashion. DNS can also be considered as forward or reverse. Forward DNS translates a host name into an IP address, and reverse DNS translates an IP address into a host name. A host name being the URL you use for a website. On the protocol level, forward and reverse lookups are nearly identical. To get an IP address from a given host name, a DNS system, also known as a resolver, requests an IP address or an A record from a DNS server. The DNS server being your local post office. In the viewed example, we ask the authoritative name server for the IP address of www.example.com. In a TCP dump, we would see the following traffic. The resolver, which is 192.168.0.1, which asks the authoritative name server, or the DNS, which is in this case 192.0.34.43. This process happened on UDP port 53 for the A record, which belongs to example.com. All of this via UDP. The name server returned an A record for that name with the IP address of 192.0.34.166. When using Wireshark, we can view much more information about this type of DNS transaction, which is also why it's important for this base understanding. In the next video, we will continue with protocol disassembly and the NTP protocol.